Okay, let's see what's on TV. Wheel of Fortune! Yay! Yay! What do I win? A sad feeling. Oh. The score! And... doesn't bounce. That's right, number 7, it's a cube. Get your brand new spork, now with 40% more spoon. I use mine in the shower. Villager news. We're live in 3. Beep, 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 beep. Wilson, where are you? Wilson! It's the beast! Testificate man. Day 17 in the village. A violent fight broke out today. We've never seen something so extreme. You moved my drink! Oh no! I'm so sorry! Oh, apology accepted. Introducing the all-new Power Drill! The perfect gift for your children!
It's the best toy ever!
This is a good show. It's called